We are proud to announce that Draganfly has been selected by Cochise County Sheriff's Department to design, build, and integrate a first-of-its-kind drone specifically enabled to enhance capabilities for surveillance, logistics, and interdiction along the southern U.S. border. This initiative is part of a broader effort aligned with the Unleashing American Drone Dominance executive order aimed at asserting U.S. leadership in unmanned aerial systems for national security and public safety. Cochise County is recognized nationwide for its innovative use of law enforcement technology, from mobile sensor units to high-resolution camera networks and ground surveillance radar. The department's forward-thinking approach has earned commendations from top federal leaders, including and directly from President Donald Trump and Vice President J.D. Vance. Draganfly's multi-mission drone platform has been selected due to its ability for extended flight times, real-time intelligence gathering, and seamless integration with systems like TAC for coordinated field operations. This pilot, which is designed and hopeful to become part of the standard operating procedures for border management, will test and demonstrate how smart, scalable drone deployments can support frontline law enforcement, protect communities, and reinforce our national security infrastructure, especially in high-stakes, high-traffic regions like the southern border. We're grateful to be working alongside a department as innovative and mission-focused as Cochise County. Our role in this program underscores not only the versatility of our systems, but also the trust placed in us as a long-standing leader in drone innovation, saving time, money, and lives.